Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the spaghetti that you saw in my last video with the meatballs. It's going to be a spaghetti in a tomato and mushroom sauce. Really easy to make and super delicious. The preparation time and the cooking time combined is going to be less than an hour, so I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you'll also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a large skillet, we're going to heat up 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to cook the onion and the garlic on low heat for 7 minutes, stirring constantly. After 7 minutes, now we're going to add in the chopped tomatoes and the tomato paste. Stir until combined. And then also add in the mushrooms. Stir once again until everything is well combined. And then we will also add in 1 cup of vegetable broth, or you can use chicken broth if you prefer so. Now season this with Italian seasoning. Also add in crushed red pepper to taste, and you will also add in salt and black pepper to taste. We're going to cook this on medium heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it should be boiling. Now we're going to blend most of this tomato mixture. If you have one of those hand blenders, you can use that one. Mine broke a little while ago and I haven't had time to buy a new one. So I'm going to place most of these ingredients into a blender, and then I'll blend them until they are well blended into a soft sauce. Once they are blended, we will return them into the pan. And the only reason I didn't blend everything was to give the sauce some texture. I want to have some chunks of tomatoes and mushrooms in the sauce. It makes it richer, I think. After that, into the pan you will also be adding 1 cup of red wine. And please make sure to use a good quality red wine. If you use a poor quality wine, the sauce might turn out kind of bitter. After you add in the wine, continue to cook this on low heat for 15 more minutes. While the sauce is cooking, now you will also cook the spaghetti, and you will just cook it according to the instructions on the package. After it's done, drain it and then set it aside for a minute. After 15 more minutes, this is how the sauce is looking. It's boiling. Now taste the flavor, add more salt or Italian seasoning if needed. And then you can also sprinkle with some dry basil or fresh basil. And then once you're happy with the flavor, we will continue to boil this for 10 more minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks. The sauce is ready. Now you can either add some meatballs or you can add the spaghetti. If you add the meatballs, you're going to cook 3 more minutes before you add in the spaghetti. So I'm going to add in the meatballs, and then I'm going to cook this for 3 more minutes, just so the meatballs can absorb all the flavors. And then after 3 minutes, now I'm going to add in the spaghetti. And then just give it a stir so the spaghetti is well covered with the sauce. And then after that, you can serve it. Garnish with Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley, and that's about it. Enjoy! To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!